Joel from Performance Exhaust here today, guys, and we've got a GR86 in getting the XForce RACESPEC system. This system has resonators in the rear opposed to a muffler in the rear and a resonator in the front. Customer has opted for the blue tips. You can opt for blue tips or the silver tips. We'll get it up in the air and we'll get this done. Alright, so we've removed the standard system off the vehicle. We've got it laid out here. We've got the new system just about to go on. As you can see, the rear muffler is replaced with 2 sets of resonators and the blue tip side to side. Goes back, goes to a J pipe to help with the resonance. Boxer motors create a bit of resonance. And then you've also got the 1 resonator. So, yep, they look fantastic laid out. And yeah, we'll get it chucked in. Alright, so we've just installed the system. As you can see, it presents quite well with the blue tips. You've got the twin resonators out the back. Going underneath the vehicle, you've got the J pipe, sits quite nicely. And the resonator. Great fit up. And we're going to have some comparison videos showing before and after now.